video a toy food video. So I'm going to unpack this and show you what kind of foods are in there and what kind of toy packs are there.
Let's open it.
Here are them. They're upside down. Then we're going to open this pack over here. A little noisy. So everyone, I opened the food.
Oh, wow.
So we have over here chips
and
chicken,
chocolate,
and there's a little bit of healthy side and a little unhealthy side.
and chocolate.
So we have these little tiny containers, but there's nothing in there.
And the chocolate.
There's nothing in here. So
this
this
is
is
chocolate.
a dough chicken burger.
This is the chocolate.
So this is a chocolate, and this is
This
a
is the corn.
And these
This
are
is the
a
corn.
chips, like little chocolate biscuits.
And this is
And
all
this is-
corn.
And this is a cereal, and it's a no added sugar.
This is
And
corn.
this is a chili, and it's corn.
This is corn.
And with red kidney beans and mixed in peppers.
And this is corn.
And this is
Strawberry.
This is a raspberry ripple.
And
A raspberry ripple.
Then is
And this is a Fatate tea.
This is a.
What's that? And this is a breadsticks packet.
And this is eggplant.
And this is a dough organic tomato and basil soup.
This is a.
And this is tuna.
And this is tuna.
So tunas, they're like little tiny, it's like when you have like chicken sandwich. It's like tuna.
I got an eggplant.
Ravi, what's this? What's this?
Eggplant.
And what's this?
Chili.
What's this?
Carrot.
And what's this?
Pear.
And what's this?
Pepper.
And what's this?
Grapes.
What's this?
Lemon.
What's this?
Salad.
What's this?
It's eggs.
What's this?
Orange.
What's this?
It's a chicken.
So guys, that's the healthy. And what's this?
It's a tomato.
So that's all of the healthy things. And let's
get started.
Let's do the bad one. So what's this?
It's a chocolate.
What's this?
It's a raspberry.
What's this?
Hamburger.
Oh, for this one, it's a healthy egg. And this is a birth. And what's this?
French fries.
What's this?
Chocolate biscuits.
What's this?
Burger.
As you guys see, a burger is just like this. It's like this, like you can eat it like this. Up.
Let's
eat it. Okay, stop.
Hot dog.
Yes. Everyone, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. And if you enjoy, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep visiting on Huge Videos portal website www.videosled.com.